Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to buy or sell a business on Flippa step by step. Whatever, whether you are looking to invest in an online store, a content site, an app, or even just a domain, Flippa is a powerful global marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of digital assets. Let's dive in. First of all, getting started on Flippa. Flippa is a marketplace where you can buy and sell website, e-commerce, stores, apps, domains, and content businesses. It connects entrepreneurs from all over the world and gives you the tools to manage the entire process from listing to payment transfer. To get started, sign up using your email or Google account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard like this, where you can browse listings if you are a buyer or start creating your own listing if you are a seller. Just choose one from here like SaaS, blog, Shopify, AdSense, or SaaS, your niche like YouTube, etc. Just click on it. When you click on a listing, you will find all important details. Click one from here, click view listing, the monthly revenue, profit, traffic, stats, business history, included assets, and in many cases, verified performance data. This allows you to evaluate the viability of a business before making an offer. As a buyer, you can choose to purchase at the asking price or participate in an auction. Auctions on Flippa have countdown timers that help prevent last second sniping so you get a fair shot. Need more information before bidding? Use the discussion area for public questions or direct message for private communication with sellers. Transparency is key here. Just click contact seller. If your offer is accepted or you win an auction, Flippa initiates a secure transaction process. This includes identity verification, contract signing, and asset transfer, all protected through escrow. For sellers, creating a listing starts with choosing your business type. Just click on Sell Now, enter your website like Wix, YouTube channel. I will use a Wix website or WordPress website like this, WordPress. Then log in WordPress with your Google account. Click continue. Or for this tutorial, just enter your YouTube channel name, copy the link and paste here. Now choose from here like selling anything else or click YouTube. Then specify your revenue model, physical products, dropshipping, subscriptions, advertising, or something else. Buyer want clarity on how money is made. You will need to enter monthly revenue and expenses for the past 5 months. This level of financial transparency helps serious buyers make informed decisions. And finally, include details on your primary expenses are so buyers understand the cost structure of running the business. To make your listing complete, specify all include assets, the domain name, website files, any inventory, customer lists, and supplier contracts. Enter your business name, then business date, like is, then enter your location. Now choose the industry, like education or entertainment, then past 12 months revenue, use sub industry like college and courses, then continue. Now fill all the details. Write an honest, detailed business description, cover operations, customer base, revenue streams, and why you are selling. Transparency attracts serious buyers. Upload screenshots from your platform like Shopify, Amazon, or YouTube Studio Analytics to prove income and traffic. This proofs build trust. When setting your price, you can go with a fixed price, start an auction, or make it negotiable. Flippa also offers paid upgrades to boost listing visibility. Once your listing is live, respond quickly to buyer questions. Active communication increases trust and can lead to faster offers. When you agree on a price, Flippa again handles identity verification, contract signing, and asset transfer. The buyer then gets an inspection period before releasing the payment. Sellers should deliver all promised assets and assist in the transition. This keeps your reputation strong. After the sale, both buyer and seller can leave reviews. Good reviews make future transactions easier. For larger or more complex sales, Flippa offers extra services like brokers, evaluations, and listing help. Before listing, make sure your financials are clean and all files are organized. This preparation attracts serious buyers and can increase your final sale price. In short, honesty, organization, and clear communication are the key to success when buying or selling on Flippa. And that's your complete Flippa tutorial for 2025. If you found this guide useful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments whether you plan to buy, sell, or maybe do both.